How to open your zero balance account in Sharjah Islamic Bank. Start by downloading the app from the Play or App Store. Then go ahead and open the app. As you can see on the screen, this account can be opened instantly, requires no minimum balance, and has no minimum size requirement. It also comes with a free SIB bank card. So, tap on Open SIB digital account and then provide your details, starting with your email ID and then your mobile number. Click on Continue in order to submit your details and input the OTP that will be sent to you. The next step is verifying your Emirates ID. Go ahead and grant the SIB digital app permission to access your camera and scan both your front side and back side of your Emirates ID. That should be quick. Once it's done, all your personal details will be revealed. Accept the terms and conditions by clicking or tapping on the checkbox and then click on Continue. In case you get stuck on this step, let me know in the comments so that I can help you. And let's move on the next step, which is taking a quick selfie. Take a quick selfie and then provide information about your employment status, whether you are self-employed, a student, unemployed, housewife, or even a salary employee. So let me choose salary employee. Then input the salary you receive on a monthly basis. Since we are opening a zero balance account that doesn't require any minimum salary, it doesn't matter the amount of money you input. Input your monthly salary and let's keep on moving to selecting our product type or account type. We have two types, which is the digital account and then the digital prepaid card. Select digital account and then tap on the drop down button. Choose the reason or the purpose why you're opening this account. For now, I recommend you select savings and tap on Continue. It is time to provide your address detail. Input address 1, address 2, the city where you are and the country, and then go ahead to select if this is your preferred delivery address, the address to which your debit card will be delivered to. Continue to answer the last question by choosing or selecting whether you are a UAE citizen. Simply tap on none of the above and then agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on Continue. Congratulations, your account has been successfully opened. Now you will see your account number, your IBAN number, plus your other account details. For now, while you wait for Sharjah Islamic Bank representatives to contact you to arrange the delivery of your bank card, you can set your username and your password in the SIB app that you use to manage all your accounts. Simply click on Create User ID and Password. Go ahead, input the username of your choice. Okay? Remember, you use this name always to log into your account. Set the password. Go ahead and confirm the password. Make sure to set a strong password. Once that is done, click on Continue. And again, tap on Login. You'll be asked to input your details. That means your username and your password. And you log in, you see that your account has been successfully opened, which is a zero balance account.